this is the intro to circles. So say you have a circle and a dot in the middle and it goes out like this. Say that is 6. Well, then that dot going to the outer edge of the circle from the middle is radius, and radius equals 6. And if you want to find like circumference or area, you'd have to use radius and diameter. Diameter is 2 times 6 because it is double of 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. And because that's like that, to get a circumference that is 12 times 3.14, which ends up coming out as 37.68 units squared. Then, if you were to do area, it would be 6, which is your diameter, squared times 3.14. And because of that, you would end up coming out with 113.04 units squared. That is an example of circumference and area. Now I can do that with another one, which will be, I'll do a circle with the diameter of 3, which then 3 times 2 equals 6. So diameter equals 6, radius equals 3. So for this, it'd be 6 times 3.14, which ends up coming out to be 18.84, which with that means unit squared, because no unit of measurement. Then you do 3 squared times 3.14, and that's squared. Yeah, and then comes out being 28.26. units squared. And that is how you do another example of circumference and area. But I will do one last example, which I will do a circle with the radius, with the diameter of 16. So we know diameter equals 16. So because it equals 16, radius is half now of diameter. So radius equals 16 divided by 2, which is going to end up giving you 8. So r equals 8. Because radius equals 8, well, first we got to do circumference. Okay. Is it starting? Okay. And that would be 16 times 3.14, which is going to come out with 50.24. Because we have feet squared. Because it is feet squared, yes, it's feet. Now, for area, it's going to be, because 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 squared times 3.14. And that would come out being 296, or 200.96, and that would also be feet squared